Your microphone sounds terrible, and I can fix it in 2 minutes for free. Let's get into it. So first thing you're gonna go is you're gonna get it onto Adobe Podcast, which is you can also Google it. Google Adobe Podcasts. Once you're in it, I'm already into the system already. I'm already logged into it. All you need to do is click on Enhance Speech, Caption Video, and Remove Music. It's gonna be to upgrade it. This is for free of cost. You get unlimited of 1 hour, 2 projects a day, which you can use it for free of cost. So we're gonna watch this video.
Hey, Harmony here with the Adobe podcast team. I'm here in my backyard and we've got.
So this sound was with the original sound, no enhance. Now if we click on enhance,
Hey, Harmony here with the Adobe
see how
podcast team.
clear it is. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna upload a voice on an MP3. I'm going to do that from I already pre-recorded it. Once that one is uploaded, all you need to do is click on enhance. Pretty straightforward. It does the job for free. I'm gonna fast forward the video once we get the enhanced speech. Alright guys, so it's already finalized the enhanced video. We're gonna hear the original sound first and then we're gonna get into the enhanced. Hey everyone, welcome to AI TechDrift. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your microphone sound completely free using Adobe Podcast. As you guys can hear that the sound has a background music. So now once we enhance it, this is how it's gonna sound. Hey everyone, welcome to AI Tech Drift. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your microphone sound completely free using Adobe Podcast. Alright, so it did a pretty great job. It removed the background music and the noise got into more strength. You do get a 1 hour of max plan for the enhanced for the free plan. You can also do enhanced audio only. There's no video support on the free plan. And you can do 30 minutes of each project, 1 hour or max day, which means that you can download it up to 1 hour of enhanced audio system. If you guys like this video, comment, like, and subscribe. See you in the next one.